Reports, found in the top right corner of your site, help you keep track of your monitoring and how well you are staying within thresholds. Monthly data logs. When selecting this report from the menu, you simply select the month that you would like to view and the specific point from the drop-down. Once chosen, click on the Get Report button. Once loaded, you will see daily logs for the chosen month, such as minimum and maximum temperatures, and an AM and PM time reading if you need to record temperatures twice a day. A graph is also shown below with thresholds for the point and the AM/PM time readings. If you chose all meters on the previous page, multiple pages will be generated. To differentiate each point, area and device name are shown in the upper left of the page. Weekly device summary. After selecting it from the reports menu, you will be prompted for an end date. The report will retrieve data for the day selected and the data for the previous 6 for a week's worth of data. Once generated, each device will be listed with the minimum, maximum, and average temperatures. Also listed in this report is the number of alarms for each device in the selected time frame. Whichever log report you choose, you will have the option to subscribe to each report. Doing so will automatically send a PDF to the email specified on your user page at the end of each report's time frame. For temperature logs, this is daily, while the weekly device summary is weekly. To do so, navigate to Settings, Report Settings. Once there, enable the reports that you would like to be automatically sent and select the users in the bottom drop-down. Click Save, and the users will then be subscribed to the enabled reports.